Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever tried making miniature garden? It's simple, fun and beautiful way to display multiple plants together. If you have been following me for a while, you might have seen my earlier videos on miniature gardens. I love creating these setups. This miniature garden is a lovely way to showcase collection of small yet striking plants. And today I am excited to share another easy and simple succulent miniature garden. So let's get started. First step is picking the right container. You can get creative here. Shallow pots, ceramics, terracotta or repurposed container all work great. Just make sure your container has good drainage to prevent water from building up. For today's garden, I am using ceramic container that's about 3 to 4 inches deep. Succulents don't need deep pots since their roots are shallow and they grow slowly. To ensure proper drainage, we will add layer of small gravels or pebbles at the bottom. Next, we will fill the container with well-draining potting mix. For succulents, using special succulent mix is really important. You can either buy one online or make your own by mixing regular soil with sand and perlite to keep it light and airy. Avoid compacted garden soil as it doesn't allow enough air circulation or drainage. You can also add some compost to your soil mix to provide nutrients. I will put the link in the description box where you can buy the potting mix. Now let's plant our succulents. I am always amazed by their beauty and ability to thrive with minimal water and care. They come in so many different shapes, sizes and textures. Before handling cactus or spiny succulents, it's a good idea to wear gardening gloves to protect your hands. I like to arrange the plants asymmetrically for natural look. You can play around with different colors, textures and height to create visually interesting design. It's all about personal preference. Make sure the base of each succulent sits about half an inch below the rim of the container to leave space for watering. To make it even more special, I am adding layer of decorative pebbles, seashells and tiny garden ornaments. This adds nice finishing touch. And it's done. About its maintenance, since all the plants are succulents, caring for them is easy. They all need the same kind of light and water, so you don't have to worry about treating each one differently. Succulents thrive bright in direct light, so find sunny spot near window. They love little morning sun, so putting your mini garden in sunlight for few hours each week will help them thrive. Water them sparingly. Let the soil dry out between waterings. Succulents naturally store water in their leaves, so they only need watering every 10 to 12 days. If the leaves start losing color or feel soft, it's a sign they are getting too much water or not enough light, so help them accordingly. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY succulent garden. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more plant content. Until next time, happy gardening!